guys, Liz here. Happy Monday to you. Well guys, I am so excited today to share that there has been something I've wanted to do for quite some time, and this weekend we got it completed. Actually, I didn't, my husband did, but I am so excited to share it with you. So we'll get into that in just a moment. But before we get into that section of the video footage, today I would like to take some time to introduce you to two amazing women. Want to meet them? Want to meet them? Let me set the stage before I get into the introductions. So when I first started YouTube, I never in a million years thought I would even make it to 3,000 subscribers. Not in a million years. And one day, Arlene from Arlene's Country Craft Corner gave me a shout out. And boy, oh boy, did that little shout out boost my channel. And so for that, I will forever be grateful to you, Arlene, and all your lovely subscribers that decided to come over and be a part of my little channel as well. So Arlene, thank you so much. And helping somebody out that's just getting started, it made the world of difference. It made me want to do videos. It made me work a little harder than I normally would have. You know, just gives you a boost. So again, I will be forever grateful to you, Arlene. With that said, I like to do the same thing to others who are fairly new to YouTube. And so that will move us into the introductions, if you will. Let's get into it. The first girl I would love to introduce you to, her name is Justina, and the name of her channel is The Little Jewel Box. Now remember, I'm gonna be linking everything in the description box below so you can run right over there, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and check out all of her beautiful, beautiful videos she's made for everybody to enjoy. She does decorating, lifestyle, and home improvement. And let me just say, she is very articulate, and the way she speaks is so eloquent that she draws you in. She just draws you into the video, and you just want to know more and more about her and what her video is about. So let's get into it. We're gonna morph into snippets of her video and then her welcome video. She did give me permission to throw that in my video. So let's go check it out.
My name is Justina. I'm a mother, a wife, an author, and a recovering lawyer, filling in a missing component to our legal system. I practiced law for almost 10 years, and I had a lot of ups and downs during that time. So when I found out that I was expecting and having the difficulties that I had during my pregnancy and the challenges we had after he was born, it really forced me to slow down and take a look at our life and our lifestyle and view it with new eyes. And I can tell you now, staying home with my son has been and is the greatest joy of my life. So this channel is all about creating a home and a life to treasure. If you subscribe, and I hope you will, you can expect to see weekly videos or about 3 to 4 videos a month. Each season I film a home tour, which are my absolute favorite videos to film. You can also expect to see DIY tutorials, cleaning and decluttering videos, painting projects, and occasional self-care and beauty videos, recipes, and family vlogs. If you're already subscribed, I just want to thank you so much for being here with me. I can't tell you enough how much it means to me that you made the decision to spend some of your time with me.
Seriously, is she not beautiful or what? And I literally binge watched many of her videos yesterday, and I kept wanting to go to I'm like, okay, let's go to the next one. Done. And then let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. And I really enjoyed it. I'm serious. Get yourself a cold drink when you head over to her channel. Make yourself a little snack, you know, sit on the couch and get all cozied up and just watch her videos, because she's just, you can tell she's just a wonderful person. And when I search for YouTube creators to watch, I look for people that I feel are genuine, good-hearted people. And I can tell right off the bat, She is. So please go check her out, show her some love, and tell her I sent you. And I hope you enjoy her as much as I do. All right, the next beautiful lady I would like to introduce you to, her name is Jessica from French Farmhouse Flair. You guys, she has an amazing decorating style. She's so soft-spoken, but she is so sweet and so beautiful and so creative that she draws you in, and her vignettes are beautiful. And if you are into French Farmhouse, you're gonna love her channel. I mean, love it. You'll get so many ideas. And she makes jewelry, and she's a stay-at-home mama like I am. So you guys, you're gonna love her. And again, I'm gonna morph into a little snippet from her videos, and then a little snippet of her talking. And if you guys could go over there and subscribe, she has a goal like I do. When I got closer and closer to 20,000, I reached out to all of you and said, I noticed that half of my subscribers are subscribed, the other half is not. So I was reaching out to those that aren't subscribed and said, if you don't want to hit the notification bell, if you don't want to leave a comment, that's perfectly fine with me. But if you could subscribe, it really helps my channel and the YouTube algorithms. And her goal is to get to 5,000. I think every YouTube creator has a little goals they set for themselves, and when they make it to that goal, it's like the biggest boost ever, and it makes us feel so good, you guys. So if you could go over and check her channel out, and if you love what she does, please subscribe, tell her I sent you, and you will make her day, I'm telling you. So without further ado, meet Jessica with French Farmhouse Flair. And again, I'm going to be linking her everything you need to know in the description box below.
Jessica here with French Farmhouse Flair, and today I just wanted to share with you some things that I purchased at the depot at the Gibson Mill.
Is she not fabulous? And she knows how to transform a piece of furniture with chalk paint. She does amazing stuff. So I hope you guys will love her like I love her, and she's so sweet. I just love her. Anyway, go check them out, show them some love. Okay guys, one more person, and this is a shout out to one of my subscribers, Constantine. He had mentioned in, I guess, an old comment that he has a family member that started her YouTube channel. She's very new, but she's a crafter. So if you guys are into crafting, please go check her out. And again, I don't mean for her to be an afterthought. It just dawned on me, oh yeah, one of my subbies mentioned wanting to do a shout out for her because she's so new, and it helps her out. So if you guys are into crafting, please go check out Jersey Mom. Again, I'm gonna link her in the description box below, and you can tell her that Constantine or myself sent you over there. All right guys, enjoy the next portion of my video, which is my new mantle. You guys, hubby made me a new mantle this weekend. My gosh, did he kick out the projects this weekend. I'm so proud of him and so grateful for all of his hard work. And what we did was we constructed, well, I shouldn't say we because I didn't do it. I mean, it was kind of like, can you do this, this, and that? And he made it happen. So it was my vision, his hands, his tools, his know-how, if you will. And so what he did was he constructed a mantle to slip over our stone mantle. So it's literally as snug as a bug in a rug, no joke. And we were gonna build, are they called corbels? I don't know what they're called, but the ones that hold up the mantle. We were gonna construct some, but we ended up not doing that. We just have the stone ones sort of showing, and we're gonna live with it for a while and see if we like it. If we don't, we're gonna amp it up and build some big, bulky, chunky ones to go underneath. So anyway, I'm gonna give you the process of it. I'm gonna show you the end look. And last night I was throwing stuff up on there, like fall pics, if you will, and greenery. It's not gonna stay like that. It's not, I was just playing, you know? You know how us decorators are. We play with our stuff and throw it up there and they're like, you know, we can do better. It was one of those things. So this week we will be reconstructing that whole mantle in fall. I'm doing it, guys. I can't handle it. I gotta do fall. So we are gonna I'm gonna show you guys later this week. You know what, I'm not gonna give it away. I'm not gonna give it away. I say too much. Stop, Liz, stop while you're ahead. It'll be a surprise for later this week, okay? I'm just gonna say that. All right, let's go look at the process. And guys, I was gonna go with a painted white mantle and decided against it. I'm bringing warmth back. Dark wood. Okay, let's go check it out. Are you intrigued? Are you intrigued? All right, let's go look at the process. Our flooring is called espresso, so we want to match our mantle to the color of our hardwood floors to give it that rich look and feel. This one won as it was the darker espresso stain. The other one had a little more orange and yellow in it, and this one's the winner. this is gonna wrap up my little video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys wouldn't mind helping a friend out by going to check out Justina's channel, The Little Jewel Box, and Jessica's channel, French Farmhouse Flair, and Jersey Mom, I would be so grateful, and I know they would greatly appreciate it as well. So with that said, come back and see me Wednesday. We are going to be diving head first, do I dare say it, do I dare, into fall. I know, I don't want to hear it. You guys, this is seriously late for me. I was looking back at old photos from last year. I had pretty much my whole house decorated for the most part by August 4th. So this is late by Liz's standards, and school's starting in a few weeks. And it seems like everybody on YouTube's jumping into fall, so you know what? I'm gonna jump in too. Come back and see me Wednesday. We're gonna be reconstructing the new mantle, bringing fall touches. Not late summer, we're going fall. Join me. Bye guys. Catch you in the next one.